Hey, I'm Sean Fix from South Florida, and I'm going to be speaking on injury prevention for pediatrics on the playground. About 10 years ago, I was asked to put this program together, and I thought, I don't know how exciting this is going to be, but I started doing the research. What was interesting was, when I did the research, the number of significant injuries that happened to children while at playgrounds and the federal mandates that were there. But what really appalled me was, as I drove around the playgrounds in my neighborhood, I saw that playgrounds at public places, playgrounds at private places weren't really following this, or at least maybe they followed it when they initially built their product, but they weren't keeping it up. What the CDC tells us is that there's 200,000 children each year taken to the emergency department after they're injured while playing at a playground. What was more interesting was that the American Academy of Orthopedic Surgeons said that number is much higher at 527,000 per year taken to all types of doctors, whether it's a walk-in clinic, a physician's office, or some other type of medical facility. So when we looked at other prevention programs that we've used in EMS and fire over the years, such as the early 90s heart attack and ASHD prevention, and then stroke prevention from the American Heart Association and the American Red Cross and those types of places, fire prevention programs, and fall prevention and bicycle safety and helmet safety. When we look at all of those, we see that all of those have had a significant impact on decreasing serious injuries and even deaths in patients that we take care of. In reality, it turned the citizen into a non-patient by preventing the injury. And I think that's the issue with playground injury prevention and the federal mandates. What we're going to do is we're going to look at federal mandates, we're going to look at some of the studies, and we're going to look at some of the potential injuries that are found on each playground. Most of us survived our childhood without a lot of these. However, like everything else, we have better science, better reviews, and better technology in order to make these places safer. I don't know that every fire or EMS system needs to go out and start inspecting playgrounds, but certainly there's a lot of good information there to present to places in your community. Come by, sit with us for an hour, and I think you'll see some surprising stats and some surprising photos that we took. Thanks a lot.